Hi friends, let me show you this ceiling fan with lamp that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really modern, nice looking fan, and the light is, the lamp function, it's really interesting, really modern, really nice, with these acrylic and iron arms, okay? This is the actual fan. As you can see, it's really just a clear acrylic fan, and you get all the accessories that you need to install it, okay? You get the installation instructions. You can even do different configurations with the lamps. So I'm going to show you one of them, and you will see how nice, how beautiful it looks, okay? You get a remote control, so you can change 3 different light temperatures, and of course the speed and the time to use the fan. Let's install it and try it. Friends, let me show you with the remote. I'm going to turn off the light, okay? And you can turn on and off the light, turn on and off the fan. Let me put number 2. There it goes, the fan, okay? You can set it for 2 hours of continuous operation, okay? And the lights will turn on like that. You can change the temperature. You see, coldest, warm, or even step by step, changing the color and the brightness, okay? You can set it as a night light, okay, like that, okay? And you can turn off the fan and leave the lights on, or turn off the lights and leave the fan on, okay? And we're going to connect it to the phone app. So now we have the app in my phone. This is the entrance unit. As you can see, I'm going to turn on the light first, okay, and then the fan. Perfect. And here you can do all the configuration. If you want faster fan, if you want a different color light, like that, night light, okay. So it's really easy to control everything, to program it from the app. So I think it's a really nice unit, easy to use and super convenient to control it with your phone app. So I really recommend it. Thank you very much.